Papa.
Who was in the pool?
Adrianna.
Did your mama get in the pool?
Nuh-uh. Adrianna was just in the pool with Mama. But Adrianna was looking like this and Mama holding her like this so she wouldn't scream.
Today?
This is AJ Hutto. He is 7 years old, and in just a few moments, the words he is about to say to this courtroom will become the foundation of one of the most haunting and controversial murder convictions the state of Florida has ever seen.
Then what happened?
Adrianna started screaming when Mama took her hand off of Adrianna's face.
Where were they at?
At the pool.
A 7-year-old boy, his dead sister, and a mother who stood just feet away. What investigators are about to uncover on this rural Florida property will shake them to their core. A child who saw everything, a mother who said it was an accident, and a courtroom that would ultimately be forced to choose between two versions of one terrible afternoon. This is the Amanda Lewis case, one of the most chilling and devastating child witness murder convictions the state of Florida has ever seen. August 8, 2007, Esto, Florida. One of the most haunting child witness murder convictions this state has ever seen.
My sister, she read me and sprayed something that made everything smell good, and she didn't do this. She done the stuff that she didn't supposed to, so my mom got mad at her. So she threw her in the pool. And then she told her to go somewhere, and she said no, because Mom was going to dunk her again. And then Mom had to go get in the car to go get Adrianna. And then Adrianna was trying to escape from Mama, and then Mama pulled her back in the car. And then once they got back home, Mama threw her back in the pool. And then she started drowning again.
Adrianna started drowning?
And then when she had to take a shower, my mom told me to go get her. And then when I was standing in the wagon, she was dead.
So you stood up in the wagon? Okay. Could your sister swim?
She was upside down in the pool.
She was upside down when you found her? When she landed or when you found her?
When I found her.
When you found her? You said that Adrianna had left and your mama had to go get her?
I think so.
Where did she go?
I think she had to go to the bus stop and wait till somebody picked her up.
And all this was today? Where's the bus stop at?
It's close to where our house is.
Is that where do y'all have to ride the bus from there, or?
Well, we had to go to Papa Springs.
Okay. Has your mom ever done anything like that before? She has? Has she ever thrown you in the pool? Has she thrown Adrianna in the pool?
Okay, you woke up in the living room this morning? Where was Adrianna?
Bedroom. And when she got ungrounded, she was in the living room.
What'd you do when you woke up this morning?
I was watching cartoons.
You remember which cartoon it was?
Yeah, Boomerang.
It was what?
Boomerang.
Oh, that's a new one on me. What's the name of it again?
Boomerang.
Boomerang.
Boomerang?
Boomerang.
You watched
Scooby-Doo.
Boomerang? Did Adrianna watch it with you?
She only watched it in the morning.
This morning? So she got up out of her bed and came in the living room? Did she
And
go?
she done it at night.
What did y'all have for breakfast?
We didn't have breakfast.
Did y'all have any cereal?
We didn't have nothing for breakfast.
What do you normally have? What do you have sometimes?
Cereal.
Do you have it in milk? So, did you have any lunch? What did you have for lunch?
Hot dogs. Sometimes I have to eat hot dogs at night.
What'd you have today for lunch?
Nothing.
Let me handle
Okay, I'm sorry.
it.
I'm sorry.
So you didn't have no lunch either? What did Adrianna have?
Nothing.
She didn't have no breakfast either?
Yes, sir.
She didn't have no lunch either?
Yes, sir.
Well, what about Michael? Is that the older Alan Michael? What did he have?
Nothing. He was asleep.
He slept today? Well, what did your sister and you do all day?
Just watching cartoons.
What other kind of cartoons did you watch?
That's boring. Sometimes we watch Noggy.
Do you remember what cartoon you was watching when I was there?
Yes, sir.
What one?
The Pink Panther.
And what else?
Tom and Jerry.
What about Hong Kong Phooey? You saw that this evening when I was there? Tell me what where is the bed at now that you were sleeping on?
In the living room.
It's there now? Where'd it go? Huh?
Mama put it back in the bag.
Back in the bed?
Yeah.
Or the bag?
The big bag.
Okay. So, today it was, who all was there at the house?
That's me and Mom and Adrian and our Michael.
Did you and Adrianna go outside today?
Not when Mama was asleep.
What about when she got up?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What'd you do outside?
Play with my tractors and scaring off the bugs with my toy gun.
Where was the bugs at?
Bugs
Birds.
Where was that? Where was the birds at?
in the sky flying. And some was in the trees.
Oh yeah?
You know, I was trying to gain camouflage. So
Did Mama go outside while y'all were out today? What'd she do?
just moving my wagon. And then when she got done moving my wagon, she told Adrian to scoop out the bug out the pool. And then maybe she did it, so Mama dumped it.
Because she didn't scoop out the bugs?
Yes, so
What was she gonna scoop out bugs with?
her hands.
Her hands? Do you ever scoop out bugs?
She had to do it by herself.
But you never did it before?
I can't do it with the net. I only do it with my hands.
Where is your net? I didn't see it today.
It was in the shed. Sometimes we keep our fools in the shed and the pool stuff.
What else is in the shed?
Our balls.
What kind of balls are they?
Sport balls.
What kind?
Sport. But one ain't a sport one. It's just a toy ball.
Do you blow them up?
But sometimes, when it gets flat,
How you blow it up?
put it in a pump.
You got a Spider-Man ball? Where's it at?
In the shade. But sometimes I keep it in the house. But now I can't because when I keep it in the house, I break stuff. But now the stuff ain't break.
Did anybody go swimming today?
When Mama gets done, Mom told us when Mama gets done getting out the bugs, I could get in the pool, but now I can't because the bugs ain't in. It's still in. And Adrian said when Adrian had to scoop out the bugs out of the pool, she said Adrian said she didn't want to scoop out the bugs by herself. And then Mama told her to go do it. And maybe she stopped. And then she messed with stuff when I was asleep. And I didn't hear.
You said that something about some spray. What can you tell me about the spray?
She was spraying it until I woke up.
And then what happened?
When I went to follow the smell, I smelled it in the bedroom.
What did it look like?
It looked in a spray bottle. They spray stuff out of.
What color?
Blue. It was windy.
You said you was watching cartoons this morning, right? You and Adrianna? What did your mama do when she got up?
Adrianna was playing spray on the TV until Mama got up.
Then what happened?
When Mama got up, Adrianna was still spraying spray. And then Mama told her to go in the room.
Told who to go in the room?
Adrianna.
Then what?
When Mama woke up again, she started to put Adrianna. She told Adrianna to scoop out the bugs with Mama. And then Mama went to check the mail. And then Adrianna said she didn't want her to do it by herself. That's when Mama dumped her.
Tell me about that.
I couldn't see it because it was going to be dangerous. So Michael took me in the house when Adrianna was dead on the ground. Because Mom pulled her out the pool. And then she was purple. Her lips were purple. And then brown water was coming out of her mouth.
She messed with the spray. Did somebody tell her to go into the room?
Mama did.
And did she do it? And then what happened?
She came out again because she wanted to watch TV. And then I told Mom that Adrianna's out the room.
And what'd your mama do?
He told her to go back in the bedroom.
And then what?
And then when I went back to sleep, watching TV, she thought that I wasn't watching her. And I was watching her because I heard the cabinet open and shut. She slammed the cabinet door.
Who did?
Adrianna.
Where was your mama at?
In the bedroom. In hers. Not Adrianna, it was Mama's.
Then what?
When Mama held the spray, she spilled something because she has a vent on the top of her door.
And what happened?
Mama started coming out.
Tell me what you mean when you say dunk. Somebody dumped somebody.
Mama dunked my sister,
What does that mean?
drowning.
Can you tell me how that happens?
When Adrian messes with stuff today.
Today?
So
Who was in the pool?
Adrian,
Did your mama get in the pool?
nuh-uh. Adrian was just in the pool with Mama. But Adrian was laying like this and Mama holding him like this so she wouldn't scream.
Today?
Yes, so
Then what happened?
Adrian started screaming when Mama took her hand off of Adrian's face
Where were they at?
at the pool.
Why did your mama have her hand on her face?
Because she was dunking him.
Why was she dunking her?
Because she messed with the spray and she played in the water.
She played in the water?
And then she started messing with Mama's stuff. Her thing that she washes her foot with and her hair spray and all her in a brush. And that's all that she messed with that was Mama's.
Did you see how Adrianna got in the pool?
I couldn't because I would get dumped too.
You would?
So I was telling Mama, I told Mama what's going on back here. And then she told me that they are walking. So I was hiding behind the bench so I can look. And then Mama was looking at me. And then she pointed that way. Mama was. She was pointing to my toys that I was playing with, my tractors.
Why?
Because I was going to get in trouble.
For what?
I'll get whipping and then I'll have to get grounded like my sister.
What did you do wrong?
Nothing.
What was Adrianna doing?
Screaming. And she kept on getting dunked. And then I got out the tree because Mama told me to go get Adrianna. And then I found her dead in the pool and I had to go get her.
Why did you go to get her?
So, because my mom told me to.
I asked you this before, do you know how Adrianna got in the pool? How?
Getting dunked.
Do you know if that was after school or before school or?
What?
So she got dumped when we was there? Did she get dumped a long time ago? How many times did she get dumped?
Uh, 4 times.
4 times? Do you know if that was when y'all was in school or was it during spring break?
During spring break.
Was that yesterday or last week or
Today.
today? When did you see her getting dumped?
Because I was hiding in a tree and then I saw an army man in a helicopter. An army man in a helicopter. And then I started calling the police and the army man.
Who told you that Adrianna got dumped?
Nobody. I saw her. And Dad in the pool. I had to go get her so she can take a shower. And then Mom started peeking when I saw Dad in the pool out the front door. The sliding glass door. The pool ain't where y'all park. When the pool is a little bit close to the shed. Where y'all park.
How do you know that Adrianna got dumped?
Because I heard her screaming.
What was she screaming?
Because she got dumped.
Do you know what she was saying?
She was just screaming. And then when she got done dunking, she was dead. She had to go somewhere, but I didn't get to see her. But I did see Mama going somewhere. And then I said, she's coming back. And then Mama told me to go get our Michael. And then I told our Michael when he was in the shower that Adrian's dead. Mama told me to come get you.
Months later, the judge makes a decision. AJ Hutto is allowed to testify.
Good morning, AJ.
Good morning,
Would you tell us your name?
Andrew Hutto.
Do your friends call you AJ?
No,
Do you have a middle name? What is that?
Jordan.
Jordan? Sometimes do you let me call you AJ?
Yep.
Okay. How old are you?
7.
Did you have a birthday a few months ago?
Yes, so
When was that?
November 22nd.
And you were 7?
Yes, so
What school do you go to?
Graceville Elementary,
And what grade are you in, AJ?
1st grade.
First grade. Do you have a best friend in the first grade?
Yes,
What is his name?
Zachary.
And you already know your colors, is that right?
Yes, so
Would you tell these people what your favorite color is in the whole wide world?
green.
Green. Now, do you know the difference between a truth and a lie or a story?
No, so
Can you tell this jury what a truth is?
yes, so
All right. For instance, if I told you I had on a green shirt, I got on a green shirt.
no, so
What color shirt do I have on?
white.
Would that be the truth or a lie if I said I had a green shirt on?
A lie.
Now, if I said, AJ, you've got a white shirt on, would that
Truth.
be the truth? All right. Now, what happens to people or little boys that don't tell the truth?
They get a spanking and they get grounded.
Okay. Today, can you tell us the truth if I ask you some questions?
Yes, so.
Do you understand that's the most important thing?
Yes,
Is to
so.
tell the truth.
Yes, so.
Judge, those are my questions to
If I
qualified
could see
witnesses.
counsel at the picture, just
Right there for just a moment.
AJ, Mr. Smith, this gentleman standing right over here, has a couple of questions he wants to ask you, okay?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Smith.
AJ, Mr. Bassard asked you if you could tell us the difference between the truth and a lie, and you said no, sir. Is that what your answer was?
Yes, so.
Can you tell me what a lie is?
It's not the truth.
Can you tell me what the truth is?
It's not a lie.
If I told you your mother was in the courtroom here today, would that be the truth?
No, so.
That would not be the truth. Why is that? Because she's not in the courtroom?
No, so.
Okay. So your mother is not in this courtroom.
No, so.
Okay. And you're telling me that that is the truth, that your mother is not in the courtroom.
Yes, so.
Okay. Where is your mother?
Jail.
She's in jail.
Yes, so.
When is the last time that you saw your mother? Do you remember?
No, so.
Has it been a long time?
Yes, so.
Who do you live with now?
My Aunt Carla.
Aunt Carla?
Yes, so.
And does she have a husband?
Yes, so.
Who is that?
Richard.
Okay. Is Aunt Carla in the courtroom?
Yes, so.
Where is she sitting? Would you point her out for the jury? Okay. What color top does she have on?
Brown.
Okay. Is that her sitting right there on the second row?
Yes, so.
Okay. Now, AJ, have you met this man before right here? Mr. Brandon?
Yes, so.
All right. How about this man? Have you ever met him before? The one that was asking you questions, Mr. Walter.
No, so.
Okay. How about Miss Kim right there? Have you ever seen her before?
No, so.
All right. That woman sitting right there between them. Have you ever seen her before?
Yes, so.
Who is that?
My mother.
Now you recognize your mother?
Yes, so.
All right. Okay. Look at me, AJ. This time we're ready to proceed, Judge.
You may proceed. And your objections noted for the record. Previous order of the court is still in place.
AJ? AJ,
Yes, so.
give me your hand. All right. Here. Here. AJ, do you see these people sitting over here?
Yes, so.
I met these people yesterday for the first time. And I told them today that Adrianna was dead. Is she dead? Going to have to answer so they can hear.
Yes, so.
Do it this way. Do you remember when you got up that day? Do you remember what happened? Would you just tell me what happened? If you tell me, they can hear.
Yes, so.
All right. That day when you got up, what did you do?
I don't know.
Okay. Did you watch any cartoons?
Yes, so.
Okay. Where did you sleep that night? Did you sleep in your bedroom or did you sleep somewhere else?
I slept in the living room.
And what did you sleep on? Was there a special bed that you slept on that day?
Yes, sir.
What was that?
There's a bed.
Just a bed, like a camping bed?
Yes, sir.
All right. And Adrianna, where did she sleep?
She slept in the bedroom.
Okay. Did your mom come home from work that day? That morning?
Yes, sir.
What were you doing when she came home from work?
I was still sleeping.
Okay. Did there come a time that you watched some TV that day?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What did Adrianna do that day?
Nothing.
Did she do anything to get in trouble that day?
Yes, sir.
What did she do, AJ?
Spray some spray on the windows.
Oh, yeah? Why was she doing that?
I don't know.
Was she spraying any other spray that day?
Yes, sir.
How did it smell?
Awful.
Awful? Okay. Where was your mom? Where was your mama when she was doing that?
She was in bed.
Okay. Did she wake up?
Yes, sir.
All right. What happened to Adrianna when your mother woke up?
She got grounded.
All right. Can you tell us how that happened?
Yes, sir.
All right. Tell us about that.
I can't remember.
You can't remember?
No, sir.
Were you inside or were you outside?
Inside.
Did you go outside that day?
No, sir.
Now, at some point, did you and Adrianna go outside to play that day?
Yes, sir.
What were y'all playing?
Tractors.
Tractors?
Yes, sir.
Where were you playing with those tractors, AJ?
I can't remember.
All right. How is it that Adrianna got drowned that day, AJ? Can you tell me?
No, sir.
All right. Let me ask you some other questions then. Did you see any men that day working around your house?
Yes, sir.
What were they working on?
Trees.
Okay. Cutting trees?
Yes, sir.
Where were they doing that?
At my house.
Okay. If I showed you some photographs, some pictures, could you tell us where they were cutting those pictures? I mean, where they were working and cutting those trees?
Yes.
Tell me, AJ, what is this right here?
My pool.
Your pool?
Yes, sir.
The one that was in this picture that we just saw a few minutes ago?
Yes, sir.
All right. And who is this right here?
Me.
What are you doing, AJ?
I was playing.
All right. Were you playing with anything?
Yes, sir.
What were you playing with?
That.
Okay. What's that supposed to be?
I can't remember.
Okay. You can't remember?
Yes, sir.
All right. What is this right here?
A tree.
Were you playing in the tree or around a tree?
In the tree.
In the tree. Okay.
So,
Now, what is this right here? Who is this or what is this?
my mama
Okay. And what is she doing?
killing my sister,
How is she doing that, AJ?
putting her hand over her face.
Would you show me how she put her hand over your
No,
sister's
sir.
face? Huh?
No, sir.
You don't want to do that?
No, sir.
Okay. Who is this?
My mother.
And who is this?
My sister.
What is this right here?
My mother's arm.
Your mother's arm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What does this mean right here? She did.
Died.
What?
She died.
She died. Okay. You mean your sister died? Okay. What this too bad? What does that mean?
That means it's scary.
It was scary. When this was happening, could you see it?
No, sir.
Was that a yes or a no?
Yes.
Where were you? Could you get the pad, please? AJ,
Yes, sir.
if I drew a diagram right here, okay? If this is your trailer, this is the home where you live, and this is the tree out front, the pool would be where? Over here?
Yes, sir.
And the shed, what did y'all keep in the shed?
Volleyballs.
Okay, balls? Would that be back over here?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, and if this is the road that was out in front of the house, where were you when you saw your sister die, or when your sister died? Where were you? You were here in this tree?
Yes, sir.
Did you stay in the tree, or did you move anywhere?
I moved.
Where did you move to? Right here?
Yes, sir.
At the corner here?
Yes, sir.
Where was your sister when you were there? Where was your mama when you were there? Right there? Is that when she did this? Is that the reason you're drawing this?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, AJ, were you ever playing in any trees over here that day on that side of the house?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When were you playing there?
I can't remember.
Okay. All right. That day, how did you ever go over and see your sister in the pool?
Yes, sir.
Tell me about that. When did you go over there? On the way to their house, did you talk with Pa Chuck about this?
No, sir.
Okay. Did Pa Chuck end up taking you to the sheriff's office or to see the police that day?
Yes, sir.
All right. And could you remember those details of that day better then than now?
No, sir.
Okay. Did you talk to the police that day?
Yes, sir.
Did they make a video of you?
Yes, sir.
Did you tell them the truth that day?
Yes, sir.
Did you tell them all the things that you could remember?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, when did this happen? Do you even know when this happened? Was it a long time ago?
Yes, sir.
Right. When it happened that day, did you remember these things better then?
No, sir.
Could you answer the police officer's questions that day?
Yes, sir.
And did they ask you some of these questions that I'm asking you about what happened to your sister?
Yes, sir.
All right. Were you truthful?
Yes, sir.
Now, AJ,
Yes, sir.
after this happened to your sister, what did your mama do?
I can't remember.
Were y'all supposed to go to town that day to get some supplies, some school supplies?
Yes, sir.
Did you end up going that day to town to get school supplies?
No, sir.
Where was Alan Michael when this happened?
He was in the house.
Okay. What was he doing? Do you know?
No, sir.
All right. When your sister drowned, what did your mother do? How did she find out that Adrianna had drowned?
I can't remember.
All right. Do you remember telling the police officers this?
Yes, sir.
All right. You remember one day I showed you a video of you talking to the police?
Yes, sir.
Did you remember talking to them?
No, sir.
Okay. But when you saw that video, you did, didn't you?
Yes, sir.
All right. In fact, do you recognize this picture that will be marked as State's Exhibit 16? Do you recognize that?
Yes, sir.
Who is that boy in there?
Me.
All right. Now, where was that taken? Do you know?
No, sir.
All right. Does that help refresh your memory? Does that help you remember? Does that help you remember what you showed the police officers as to how your sister died?
No, sir.
Was that a yes or a no?
No.
Okay. Is that you in there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is that what you showed the police?
Yes, sir.
AJ?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting tired of answering my questions?
Yes, sir.
All right. I understand. I've just got a few more, okay?
Okay.
When I get through, that other guy, he's going to ask you some questions of Mr. Walter, okay?
Okay.
I want you to try to answer all of his questions for him, all right?
Okay.
The day that this happened, AJ, did you see any Army men in a helicopter?
Yes, sir.
What were they doing?
Nothing.
Okay. Were they in the sky or was it on the ground?
In the sky.
Could you hear Adrianna when this was happening to her?
Yes, sir.
When that was happening to her, you could hear her?
Yes, sir.
What was she saying?
I can't remember.
All right. Who found Adrianna in the pool, if you remember?
I did.
What did you do? How did you find her in the pool? Will this picture help us to show what you did?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We're looking at 1C. How did you find her in the pool? Could you see in the pool? Or did you have to get in something?
I had to get in my wagon.
Okay. When you saw her in the pool, what did you do?
I can't remember.
All right. Do you remember meeting a police officer named Mr. Mike that day, Mike Rayleigh?
Yes, sir.
All right. Did you tell him about this?
Yes, sir.
And you could remember it then?
Yes, sir.
All right. Is that the day that he made that video of you? Do you know?
No, sir.
Okay. It's been a long time ago.
Yes, sir.
All right. AJ,
So,
you said your mama did this. Who is your mama?
Amanda Lewis.
Okay. Is she in this room today?
Yes, sir.
Where is she? Can you point her out and show the judge where she is?
She's right here.
Okay. All right. Have you done your best to tell us the truth as best as you remember it?
So,
All right. Now, I'm going to get you back over here, and Mr. Walter's going to ask you some questions, okay?
okay.
All right, come back over here.
He pointed at his mother. Now the defense begins cross-examination.
AJ,
So,
I want you to try to answer his questions, just
Yes,
like
sir.
you tried to answer my questions, all right?
alright.
Okay, speak up loud enough so he can hear you, all right?
Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Smith, you may inquire.
Thank you, Judge. Hello, AJ.
Hello.
Are you standing up or sitting in your chair right now?
Sitting down.
You're sitting down, okay. Are you inside a building or outside a building?
Inside.
Okay. And were you inside your trailer or outside your trailer when your sister drowned?
Outside.
Okay, and why were you outside?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, let's talk about the Army men. Do you like to play Army men? Do you have toy guns? Okay, you have to say yes. See this lady here? She has to take down everything you say.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you like to play Army?
Yes, sir.
When you saw the soldiers did you see the soldiers in the helicopter?
No, sir.
Did you wave at them?
Yes, sir.
Could they wave back?
No, sir.
No or yes?
No.
No? Did they have guns and bombs on the helicopter?
Yes, sir.
Did they shoot their guns that day?
No, sir.
Did you shoot your gun that day?
No, sir.
Did you have a gun outside in the garbage can tree?
No, sir.
You did?
No, sir.
Did you tell anybody that you were in the garbage can tree shooting birds with your gun?
No, sir.
You didn't tell that to the policemen?
No, sir.
Did you tell that to do you remember talking to a nice lady in Panama City the same day that your sister drowned?
No, sir.
You don't remember that at all? You don't remember telling her that you were in the garbage can tree shooting birds?
No, sir.
Okay. Were you in the garbage can tree that day?
No, sir.
You were not. Okay. That day, did your sister go anywhere? Did Adrianna go someplace?
No, sir.
Did she go to the park that day?
Yes, sir.
She did go to the park. Why did she go to the park?
I don't know.
Did she go to play?
No.
No. How do you know she went to the park?
Because my mother told her to.
Your mother told her to go to the park. Why did she tell her that?
I don't know.
Were you allowed to go to the park by yourself?
No, sir.
No. But your mother told your sister to go to the park.
Yes, sir.
Did your sister leave and go to the park?
No, sir.
How long was she gone?
I don't know.
Was it sunny outside or was it dark outside when she went to the park?
Sunny.
It was sunny? How did she come home?
I can't remember.
Okay. Did she get drowned in the pool before she went to the park or after she went to the park?
After she went to the park.
Okay. Did she get drowned in the pool before she went to the park?
Yes, sir.
So she got drowned twice, didn't she? She got drowned before she went to the park and she got drowned when she came back from the park, right?
Yes, sir.
How many times did she get drowned?
Twice.
Twice. Did you ever tell anybody she got drowned 4 times?
No, sir.
You didn't tell anybody that? How did she get drowned?
I can't remember.
Well, was she inside the pool or outside the pool when she got drowned?
Outside.
She was outside the pool when she got drowned. But you found her, where did you find your sister at? Did you find her inside the pool or outside the pool?
Inside.
Inside the pool. So she got drowned outside the pool, and then you found her inside the pool, right?
Yes, sir.
How did you find her? How did you know where to look?
I don't know.
Did you hear her screaming inside the pool? Is that how you knew to look?
Yes, sir.
So you heard her screaming inside the pool.
Yes, sir.
How did she get inside the pool?
I don't know.
You think she stood up in that little red wagon?
Yes, sir.
You think she stood up in the red wagon and then she went into the pool from the red wagon?
Yes, sir.
And you think she started screaming when she went inside the pool?
Yes, sir.
Where was your mommy?
Beside the pool.
She was beside the pool when your sister got in the wagon and fell into the pool. Is that what you remember?
Yes, sir.
Did you say yes, sir, or no, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. So you remember your mommy being outside when your sister went in the pool.
So,
Do you remember going to the house and talking to your mommy and saying, Adrianna is upside down in the pool? Did she ever get inside the pool that day that you saw?
no, sir.
Did Adrianna ever try to scoop bugs out of that pool that day?
Yes, sir.
How was she going to scoop bugs out of the pool?
I can't remember.
Did she have a net?
Yes, sir.
She had a net?
No, sir.
No, okay. Do you have a net at the house that you use to clean the pool?
Yes, sir.
Where is the net at?
In the barn.
In the barn. Okay. Did Adrianna get something to help her scoop the bugs out of the pool?
No, sir.
No? How was she going to scoop the bugs up?
With our hands.
Just with her hands?
Yes, sir.
And would she have to stand in that red wagon in order to reach the bugs in the pool?
No, sir.
She would? How would she get the bugs out?
Get inside the pool.
She'd have to get inside the pool. How did she get in there?
The red wagon.
The red wagon, right. So she got in the red wagon to scoop out the bugs, didn't she?
Yes, sir.
And then she fell in the pool, didn't she? That's how she got in the pool, right?
No, sir.
How did she get in the pool?
She stepped over the side.
She stepped over the side. From the red wagon?
Yes, sir.
And then she started screaming, didn't she?
Yes, sir.
Adrianna can't swim, can she?
No, sir.
Is she afraid of the water?
Yes, sir.
Did you try to help her?
Yes, sir.
What did you do?
Hanged onto the legs.
You hung onto the ledge? Did you start yelling for help from the army men? Did you see the army men and start yelling for help?
No.
And could you get her out of the water?
No, sir.
Who was it that decided to call the police that day? Was it you or was it your mom?
Your mommy.
Mommy? Did you tell her that she had to call the police?
No, sir.
Okay, did you tell the lady in Panama City that you told your mother to call the police?
No, sir.
Did you tell the lady in Panama City that your mom dumped Adrianna because she was spraying some Windex, some cleaner inside the house?
No, sir.
You didn't tell her that either?
No, sir.
All right, AJ, thank you.
Mr. Baxter?
Just a few questions, Judge. AJ,
Yes, sir.
did you ever get in the trees that day?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, you said there were some trees on the side of on the side of your house over there. You played around those some that day?
Yes, sir.
All right. Did your mom ever go anywhere in the car that day that you remember?
No, sir.
Okay. You just don't remember?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You told us before that Adrianna was cleaning some bugs out.
Yes, sir.
Did Adrianna want to clean those bugs out of that pool?
Yes, sir.
Why was she over there cleaning the bugs out that day?
I don't know.
Did she have an argument with your mom outside that day?
Yes, sir.
All right. AJ, have you did your best today to tell us what you remember about this?
Yes, sir.
Do you like talking about this?
No, sir.
All right. But you remember talking about it to the police that day that it happened?
Yes, sir.
And you told them everything that you remembered then?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you very much, AJ.
The defense calls Amanda Lewis to the stand. She is 28 years old.
Tell us your name, please.
My name's Amanda Lewis.
How old are you, Miss Lewis?
I'm now 29. 28, I'm sorry.
Are you nervous?
Yes.
Have you been able to sleep?
No, sir.
Have you been able to eat?
No, sir.
You heard the statement that was played here today, the statement that you gave the police the day that this happened. Did you
Yes,
tell them
sir.
the truth that day?
Yes, sir.
When you looked out and you saw AJ standing in that wagon, was there any water coming over the pool at that time?
No, sir, there wasn't.
Did AJ get wet at all?
No, sir.
Did he have to change his clothes?
No, sir.
When the police got there, was he wet?
No, sir.
When you got out there to your daughter, how were you able to get her out of the pool? Were you able to do what Alan Carnley's doing in this photo or something similar to that?
I had to stand beside the pool and lean toward her.
Did the pool collapse when you leaned against it?
No, sir.
You see Alan Carnley up there. Was that sort of what you were doing, reaching into the pool?
Yes, sir.
And how were you able to grab onto Adrianna?
I was able to reach far enough to grab her foot.
And how did you get her over the side of the pool?
I pulled her to me and rolled her over and got her out.
Okay. Again, did the pool collapse when you did that?
No, sir.
And then what did you do once you got her out?
I got her out and put her on the ground and tried to give her CPR.
You said in your statement you're not very good at CPR.
I took the class in my CNA certification, but I've never had to do it.
Okay. So you took a class, but you never actually had to do it in real life. Now, we've heard testimony that maybe you're a strict mother. Do you think you're a strict mother?
I just tried to make them mine.
Okay. And we've heard that Adrianna was headstrong. Was she headstrong?
Yes.
Did you have to take her to a doctor? You mentioned in your statement you had to take her to a doctor.
Yes, sir. The last phone call that I got from the school, she had gotten in a fight, the little girl. And I had called to Laurel Oaks in Dothan and took her there.
What is Laurel Oaks?
It's a behavioral center.
And how long did she stay there?
6 days.
Did she also have difficulties with AJ?
Somewhat, yes, sir.
Did she ever exhibit any violence towards him?
There was one incident where Alan and I had stepped outside, and when we come back in, she had a knife pulled on Andrew.
She was threatening her brother with a knife?
Yes, sir.
Your daughter?
I didn't there when she started seeing Dr. Handel. He referred us to a gentleman that came out to that clinic at his office, and we had started learning how to cope with it.
Okay. Did things get better because of that?
Yes, sir, they did.
Did she improve in school?
She did start getting better.
Okay. And you heard her teacher, or the last teacher that she had came in and described her. From your vantage point, was your daughter behaving better and doing better in school?
Yes, sir.
Had she quit threatening the other kids?
After that last incident, I did not get another phone call.
Okay. But she still did wet her pants from time to time, didn't she?
Yes, sir.
And was that frustrating to deal with that?
Somewhat, yes, sir. But I had the same problem when I was little.
Oh, you did? Well, how did you deal with it with Adrianna? I mean, you just lose your cool and hit her or slap her? How would you deal with a situation where she wet her pants?
On incidents when she would wet her pants, I would take her in the bathroom and change her clothes and make her sit on the potty prior to putting her clean clothes on. I had on numerous occasions a week prior to taking the toys to try to get them to clean the room, and they wouldn't, so I took their toys.
Hey, did you throw them away?
What was broken, I did throw in the trash, and what was not broken, I took to the mission in Graceville.
Okay, so you gave the toys away.
Yes, sir.
And why didn't you just beat them? You know, they won't pick up their toys. That's certainly a form of discipline. Why didn't you just beat them for not picking up their toys?
I didn't think it was enough to whip them. I just took the toys.
Okay. Now, did Adrianna still have toys there at the house?
Yes, sir, she did.
Where were they?
They were up under the bunk beds.
What kind of toys did she have?
She had 3 house-like things that come with her pet shop.
Okay. Any other toys there at the house?
She did have 1 baby doll.
Okay. Now, had you and Alan bought the kids a lot of toys while you've been living there together?
I did, yes, sir.
So at one time they had a lot of toys?
They did, yes, sir.
Then the prosecution begins cross-examination.
Just rode all over the inside of the car?
Yes, sir.
That made you mad?
It did, yes, sir.
Okay. Did you lose your cool and beat her for doing that?
I didn't beat her, but yes, I did spank her.
Spanked her? And you told your coworkers about you were upset about that?
Yes, sir.
And you said, I could kill him. That's what they said.
Yes, sir, I did.
Did you say that? Did you mean it?
Not in that form, no, sir.
Miss Lewis, did you drown Adrianna?
No, I did.
Did you have any reason that day to be mad at her?
Sir.
Had she done anything that day that would have made you as mad as you were that day when she'd written all over your car?
No, sir.
You said it was a good day in your statement. You remember that?
It was.
Were you all looking forward to going shopping?
Yes, sir.
Were you looking forward to school starting back?
Yes, sir.
That's all I have.
You need a tissue, ma'am? Okay. I'm going to ask you some questions, and if you don't understand my questions, just ask me to repeat them or rephrase them so you do understand them, okay? Not trick questions, and I'm not going to use any fancy lawyer words, all right?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
toward the end of school term,
Yes, sir.
in that bedroom where she didn't have a light in the bedroom, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, in fact, Adrianna got a lot of spankings, didn't she?
No, sir, she didn't.
Well, did she stay in trouble a lot back then, ma'am?
She did get in trouble, yes, sir.
She got a spanking for trying to put a bulb in that light one time, didn't she?
She did, yes, sir.
And you used to discipline her by grounding her in her room, right?
Yes, sir.
And that room, you will agree, didn't smell very good, did it, ma'am?
No, sir, it didn't.
It smelled like it reeked of urine, didn't it?
She wet the bed constantly.
It reeked of urine, didn't it?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it true that you went to work one time and told your workers that Adrianna busted up a TV and you just closed the door and let her have at it?
I told them she broke the TV. I did not say she busted it.
And you just closed the door and didn't get upset?
Well, all she did was jam a tape in the TV.
So you didn't tell them that she busted the TV?
No, I did not.
Was that the TV that was up there in the closet?
Yes, sir.
And that wasn't working, right?
I couldn't get the tape out, so yes, sir, it didn't work.
Now, isn't it true, getting back to this incident about the magic marker, the black magic marker, that happened one afternoon, and then you went on up to Dothan, you went home that night, you went to bed, you got up the next morning, take the children to school with you when you were going to work, and that's the situation these nurses were talking about when they were testifying about that earlier today, right?
Yes, sir.
So, I mean, and you will agree, ma'am, even when you got into work that morning, you were irate, you were frustrated, and little Adrianna, she was still upset, right?
I was frustrated, but I was not irate.
Adrianna was still upset, wasn't she? She was crying, wasn't she?
That morning, no, she was not.
So those other people were mistaken then, is that what you're
Yes,
telling us?
sir.
Right. But it is true, when you got there that morning at the nursing center, in front of your daughter and son AJ, you started spouting off, I could kill her, I've had it with her, I could kill her, didn't you?
I was not that loud, but yes, sir.
Well, I wasn't there. Would you demonstrate to the jury how you said it that day, ma'am?
The two nurses were sitting right in front of me on the other side of the nurses' counter, and I told them across the counter.
Okay. Would you tell us as best you can remember what you said that morning?
I told them that I could have killed her for riding in my car.
In that calm of voice.
Well, not that calm, but yes, sir.
Well, if you could, and I realize it's been almost a year ago in May, but if you would, I'd like for you to do it as best as you did that morning, okay? Using the words that you best remember that you said.
I could have killed her for riding in my car.
And it was that way. I could have killed her.
Yes, sir.
And you said that in front of Adrianna.
She was on the other side of the counter, yes, sir.
How many times did you go out that day prior to when you went out to pull your daughter out of the pool when she was face down?
One time.
One time.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure about that?
Yes,
You got
sir.
a copy of your statement there, ma'am?
Not right here in front of me, I don't.
Believe I have one. Isn't it true that in this statement that you gave to the police officers the night that your daughter was pronounced dead, that you said that you went out to ask AJ where his sister was, where Adrianna was?
Yes, sir, I did say that.
Okay.
I stepped to the front door. I did not go outside.
And according to you, what happened at that point?
He told me that she was at the pool wrecking bugs, playing around the pool.
Now, AJ was where?
In the trees at the side of the property.
Now, let me see if I understand this. that would have been the trees over on the left side of the trailer if we're looking at the trailer. Is that what you're
Yes,
saying?
sir.
For instance, take the ladder away to keep them out of the pool unless y'all are out there with them, right?
Yes, sir.
Stay away from the pool unless an adult is out there, right?
Yes, sir.
Don't play in the pool or around the pool unless an adult is out there, right?
Yes, sir.
But that day, August the 8th of 2007, when you went out on the front porch, not talking on the phone, and AJ said his sister was over around the pool, she was trying to get the bugs out of the pool, that didn't cause you any concern whatsoever, did it?
Yes, sir.
And that's the reason you ran right then to make sure that Adrianna was not around that pool, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
I
That's
went
how
from
it
the front
happened.
door and grabbed my phone and went to the sliding glass door to see what she was doing. Yes, sir.
So you were not on your phone talking to your boyfriend when you went to the door?
When I went to the sliding glass door, yes, sir.
No, I'm talking about when you went out that front door to talk to AJ over there by the trees.
No, sir, I was not on the phone.
And that is when AJ told you his sister was over there by the pool,
Yes, sir.
getting bugs out of the pool,
Yes, sir.
according to your story, right?
Yes, sir.
So instead of immediately running out there to your daughter, you pick up the phone and call your boyfriend. Am I getting the story right now?
Yes, sir.
Even though you know your daughter can't swim and she's not supposed to be around the pool.
Yes, sir.
So AJ did not come inside and talk to you like Mr. Conley told us earlier in this trial while you were on the phone talking to him.
No, sir. What Mr. Conley heard him saying was from the pool area. He was not in the house.
And you had not been on the phone for several minutes, or at least a few minutes, before you go outside and talk to AJ.
I was not on the phone when I went to the front door, no, sir.
You know, I'm a little tired, and I'm sure you are too. But if I understand what you've told me, ma'am, when you walked to that front door that day, and I'm using this diagram right here. Are you talking about AJ was somewhere over here?
Yes,
right in the
sir.
streets? And then you went out,
Yes, ma'am.
and then you went out this front door here and stood on the porch, right?
Yes, sir.
And you said, AJ, where's your sister? Right?
Yes, sir.
And he said, she's over there by the pool, getting the bugs out, right?
Yes, sir.
And then you went inside and got on the phone and called your boyfriend and looked out the window to the pool, right?
Yes, sir.
So your boyfriend couldn't have heard AJ talking because you were inside when he was running over there to the pool. You didn't even have your boyfriend on the phone when you went out there on the porch, did you?
No, sir.
You didn't get him on the phone until you went back in, right?
Yes, sir.
And AJ didn't come back in. You saw him out there hauling or raking over there at something in the pool, and that's when you ran out the front door.
Yes, sir.
Is it your testimony today that little Adrianna was wanting to learn how to swim
Yes, sir.
and that she was not afraid of the water?
No, I did not say that.
Well, you said she was afraid to put her head under the water. Are you telling us now she was afraid of the water?
Of putting her head under the water, not of the water itself.
Do what the statute says, Mr. Smith. I would suggest, given what the state has suggested earlier, that the preliminary questions be asked of the state, then I would ask the attorneys at that point to approach bench, and we will discuss whether I feel that the child's answers today would change my mind from what I previously ruled. My previous ruling in this matter has been that the child's ability to relate facts as he observed them, his ability to understand the difference between the truth and a lie, and his ability to relate matters in a factual manner under State versus Lloyd have satisfied the court that he meets the requirement for being competent to testify. As I indicated at the previous hearing, if there was anything that came up today that would change my opinion, that would be noted on the record, and we would then proceed accordingly. All right, Mr. Riley, if you'll bring the jury back in, please.
Judge, our first witness will be AJ Hutto.
Okay. Okay, AJ, if you'll come right over here and just have a seat in that chair right over there, okay?
We get Ms. Lamette to come up and sit down.
That'll be fine. Can you sit in this chair right here, AJ?
All right. Pull that up. All right. Now, this is a microphone right here, all right?
If I can see counsel at the picture, just a second.
Right there for just a moment.
AJ, Mr. Smith, this gentleman standing right over here, has a couple of questions he wants to ask you, okay?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Smith.
AJ, Mr. Bassford asked you if you could tell us the difference between the truth and a lie, and you said no, sir. Is that what your answer was?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what a lie is?
It's not the truth.
Can you tell me what the truth is?
It's not a lie.
If I told you your mother was in the courtroom here today, would that be the truth?
No, sir.
That would not be the truth. Why is that? Because she's not in the courtroom?
No, sir.
Okay. So your mother is not in this courtroom?
No, sir.
Okay. And you're telling me that that is the truth, that your mother is not in the courtroom?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where is your mother?
Jail.
She's in jail.
Having done that, Mr. Smith, is there anything that you wish to say or that Ms. Lewis wishes to say or anyone else wishes to say on her behalf before I impose sentence?
Judge, I don't think so. You've received some letters and a petition that's been circulated on her behalf. I think everyone's aware of the sentence that's going to be imposed here.
Ms. Lewis, under Florida law, there are only two possible penalties that can be imposed for the crime of first-degree felony murder. They are either death or life imprisonment. The state determined in its review of your case to not seek the death penalty. Therefore, the only possible penalty is life imprisonment. So you, Amanda Lewis, having been convicted by a jury of your peers of the crime of first-degree felony murder, this court adjudges you to be guilty of that crime and sentences you to imprisonment in the Florida Department of Corrections for the remainder of your life. For your offense of aggravated, you are adjudged guilty and sentenced to serve 30 years in the Florida Department of Corrections, which sentence shall be served concurrently with the sentence imposed in your first-degree felony murder case. You are assessed fines and costs in the amount of $1,310 as to the murder case and $125 as to the aggravated child charge, for which a civil judgment shall be entered against you. Additionally, we are required to obtain a DNA sample from you today. Ms. Lewis, do you have any questions about the sentences I've imposed? I am required to advise you that you do have the right to appeal the judgment and sentence of this court. You have 30 days in which to file your appeal. If you need an attorney to assist you with your appeal and you do not have the funds to hire one, I will appoint one to represent you free of charge.
Life without parole, 30 years concurrent. Amanda Lewis entered the Florida Department of Corrections in 2008. As of 2026, she is still there. AJ Hutto was given a new name, a new family, and a new life. He is now in his mid-20s. He has never spoken publicly about the case, but many believe he is now a firefighter. He was only 7 years old when he told the truth, but some believe he was manipulated and that his testimony should not be considered in this case. What's your opinion on this? Comment below. Our deepest condolences go to Adrianna Hutto and her loved ones. Our mission is simple: voices for the voiceless. We tell the stories of those who can no longer speak for themselves. Don't forget to subscribe and check the pinned comment.